are not the father. You say today's DNA results will determine the future of your family together. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
1. Case overview. Muslim plaintiff is in court to prove that her fiancé, Mr. Mitchell, is the biological father of her daughter, London. Mr. Mitchell, however, has doubts and believes he is not the father. He has
And you and your mother are here to prove it.
stated that if the DNA results prove otherwise, he will call off their wedding.
Happier than finding out you are London's biological father. But
Second relationship history. Muslim and Mr. Mitchell met in high school
is off. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So
and became close friends. Mr. Mitchell had a difficult childhood marked by abuse, and Muslim's
Ms. Lohman, today's results will determine the future of your family.
family took him in. At the time, Muslim was in a relationship with another
Me and Jonathan got together.
man, her ex-boyfriend. Mr. Mitchell developed feelings for Muslim, and their
January of last year. And if London is not...
relationship became romantic while he was living with her family. Despite having a boyfriend,
How is it affecting your relationship now?
Muslim and Mitchell became intimate. 3. Pregnancy and paternity confusion.
He will tell me, no, I don't think she is.
Muslim was still involved with her ex-boyfriend when she conceived. Initially, she believed
I told him there was a possibility that he might not be, but I have never for sure told him.
her ex was the father. However, after reviewing the timeline of conception,
Sophomores in high school. Junior year, we had a lot of classes together, so we...
she started to suspect that Mr. Mitchell could be the father. Her
Terrible background, and I wanted to help him and save
ex-boyfriend disappeared and cut off all contact.
So your relationship started while he was living with you and your family?
4th, Mr. Mitchell's role.
him living with me and my family. We were sitting on the couch one day.
Mr. Mitchell supported Muslim throughout her pregnancy.
So at that point, Mr. Mitchell was just your friend.
Yes, Your Honor.
He took care of London after birth and formed a strong bond with the child.
Changed from friends to more?
Despite his doubts, he treated London as his daughter.
Did stuff. I liked how she cared for me whenever
London's birth certificate does not have
He does not know to this day that you were also sleeping
a father's name because Muslim was uncertain about the paternity. 5.
Till they split and she got with Jonathan. And
DNA test and court decision. A court-ordered
Found that out. What were you thinking?
I didn't know what to think. I didn't know if it was my...
DNA test was conducted. The results revealed that Mr.
We were not dating at the time I told him there was a possibility. I was still with my ex at the
Mitchell is not London's biological father. Muslim
When did you do it?
I waited a couple days and thought it over.
was shocked by the results and struggled to accept them.
You realized when you conceived, everything pointed to Mr. Mitchell.
The court asked Muslim if there was any other possible father.
These results were prepared by DNA Diagnostics, and they read,
And she confirmed that her ex-boyfriend was the only other
Mr. Mitchell, you are not the father.
possibility. 6. Aftermath and future decisions. Mr. Mitchell was emotional, but stated that he still wanted to be in London's life. The court advised Muslim to try and locate her ex-boyfriend so London could
Now we figure out how to move forward. And I want you all to figure out how you
have a relationship with her biological father. Despite the shocking revelation, Muslim and Mr. Mitchell decided to continue their relationship and work through the situation together. 7. Conclusion. This case highlights the emotional and legal complexities of paternity disputes. It raises an important question. Does being a father depend solely on biology, or does love and responsibility define true parenthood? Final court decision in the case of Lohman versus After. Reviewing all the evidence and listening to both sides, the judge made the following decisions. 1. DNA test results. The DNA test confirmed that Mr. Mitchell is not the biological father of London. 2. Emotional impact in court's advice. Muslim was visibly shocked and emotional as she was not expecting this result. The judge asked if there was any other possible father, and Muslim confirmed that her ex-boyfriend was the only other possibility. Moondrum murder Mitchell's response. Despite the results, Mr. Mitchell expressed his desire to stay in London's life and continue being a father figure to her. He stated that he loves London deeply and does not want to abandon her. Fourth judge's final verdict. The judge acknowledged Mr. Mitchell's love for London, but reminded everyone that biological truth matters for the child's future. The court advised Muslim to locate her ex-boyfriend so that London could have a chance to know her real father. The judge encouraged Muslim and Mr. Mitchell to figure out how to move forward as a family in a way that is best for London. The judge appreciated Mr. Mitchell's dedication, but emphasized that legal and biological clarity is crucial. 5. Case conclusion. The court was adjourned, leaving Muslim and Mr. Mitchell to decide how to navigate their relationship in London's future. Mr. Mitchell stood by his decision to stay in London's life, despite not being her biological father. The judge reinforced the importance of honesty, responsibility, and ensuring that London grows up knowing the truth about her father.